supercoders! Do you know the grown-up makes invoice by typing name, price, calculating total again and again? But we can automate it with Python!
Tired of boring paperwork? Watch this. One button and boom! Your invoice!
Awesome!
100 customers in one day.
Without coding, you write 100 invoices.
100 invoices are done in seconds. That's the power of coding.
Here's how simple it looks. We tell Python to store the price, store the quantity, multiply them, and print the total. That's it. Python is like giving your computer instructions. Automation means let the computer do boring work so you can do fun creative work.
Ready to code?
Yeah!
You can build games, robots, apps, and smart tools. Are you ready?
Today, I'll show you how to build a professional invoice generator in Python with logo, automatic totals, and PDF export. We use ReportLab to generate the PDF. We define company information. We add a logo. We dynamically calculate totals. Then we generate a clean professional invoice automatically. This is real-world automation. You can use this for freelancing, business, or even turn it into a paid tool. If you want more real Python automation projects that actually make money, subscribe.